Good morning. I'm not much in the mood for my own meanderings because I've been watching the earthquake and tsunami developments in Japan. It's pretty scary stuff. When you think of New York and all its buildings, so un-earthquake proof, how these buildings could never survive anything close to what Tokyo just put up with yesterday. New York would be rubble. Well, but we've not had an earthquake here for, I don't know, I felt one little trembler. Trembler? I like trembler myself, but I think it's Tembler. A couple of years ago and 10 years ago before that, just a little, we all felt it. And with that dire thought in mind, an earthquake of that magnitude hitting New York, my own little ramblings about whatever's on my mind, they're not terribly important, are they? The answer is not really.